told to bring more gunpowder out there.
Okay.
Why not?
They were that guy.
What guy?
That guy.
What guy?
That guy.
This guy?
Yes, that guy.
Why that guy?
Because I guess he's trustworthy at the time. And he's very interesting. Do you see what he's doing with the gunpowder?
I keep it on that guy. You don't see the British. I will have her achieve the test. First, we're gonna... Yes. Okay. No! You messed it up!
I did not mess it up.
Yeah, you did. Dude, you're a freaking idiot, man. You're the one take.
Does it look like I care?
Why did you pull your knife?
No!
No!
End.